How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to do hypnosis for beginners. This actually works. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. Helps my channel grow. So I've been doing meditation for 5 years, maybe even longer than that. And meditation is all about relaxing, deep breathing. So because I am really good at meditation, hypnosis is actually pretty easy for me to do. Hypnosis, the main thing that you need to do is similar to meditation, it's relaxing. That is like the number one thing to do. And people have an extremely difficult time of doing it because one, our average attention span is like 3 seconds. Like a hummingbird has a higher attention span than us. We're constantly looking on our phones. We're getting a constant dopamine rush. It is extremely difficult to relax. So that's the number one thing for hypnosis is relaxing, literally relaxing. The second one is focusing on something. It can be anything. Focus on something, and then all you do is you focus all your attention on that one thing. You relax. Typically what I'll do is you can lay on your bed. You can put a little sticker or a number on the ceiling if you want to, and just literally lay on the bed, look straight up and relax like that. It's very easy because you're laying down. You can sit in a chair if you want to. It's a little bit harder, but I could sit in the chair right now and I can literally just focus on my weights, for example, my top weight, and just focus on that. And then all you do is you do deep breathing. So again, really similar to meditation, and you're just gonna breathe really slow. You're gonna focus everything on that focus point, and then you're just going to continue to relax, continue to breathe, and eventually your eyes will feel super heavy. And at that point, you just keep doing it over and over and over again. It's easy for me because I've been doing meditation for so long. If you haven't been doing meditation, it can be a little bit harder, but that's literally the gist of it. That's kind of how you do it. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching.